Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. In this video we will see what your person is not telling you, okay? What they are hiding from you, okay? So I have already pre-shuffled the deck. I will shuffle now also, okay? To see like what your person is not telling you and what they are hiding from you, okay? So we got four cards, okay? So first card is Nine of Swords in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse, Page of Cups, and the Emperor. Okay, so what your person is hiding from you, I can see they are repressing some feelings of love towards you, okay? They have lots of love for you and they want to offer you this cup of love, okay? But they are bound to some rules and responsibilities, okay? Due to which they are not able to come towards you with this love offer, okay? So let's clarify Emperor card, what this person is not telling you and what they are hiding from you. Okay, we got Page of Pentacles, okay? So maybe they want they want to offer you something, they want to message you, what I'm getting here, okay? They want to build something with you and they want to do it from fresh, okay? But something is holding them back and they are hiding from you. So what is that, Spirit? What our viewers person is hiding from them, what they are not telling them. Okay, we got two cards. We got Queen of Cups in reverse and Nine of Wands. So from these two cards I am getting that they do not have bandwidth to offer you currently, okay? But they are not letting go these feelings as well, these feelings of love for you as well. They are holding on to that feeling towards you. They are still holding on, they are still seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, but they are not they do not have bandwidth to offer you their love, okay? Or you to meet your needs, your expectations, or to have a relationship with you, okay? And I'm getting from this Emperor card that they have something is already in place of maybe a family unit, or their career, finances, or something is already in place which they cannot leave and come towards you, and they are hiding all these things, okay? And they are not see, Two of Cups we got. So they have lots of feelings for you, they want to marry you, they see you as their soulmate, but right now like they are not able to meet your expectations, okay, and they are bound to some roles and responsibilities, so they don't have uh, bandwidth to offer you what you need, okay, currently. So they are hiding these things, they are not telling you, and they are repressing those feelings which are making them feel anxious, okay. And what they are hiding, so we got High Priestess in reverse. So High Priestess is the card of, intuition, and uh, card of unknown, like fear of unknown. So they are feeling, their intuition is blocked right now with this card in reverse, okay, and they are not able to decide what how to navigate this relationship forward, and they are keeping things under wraps, okay, and they are not telling you, like they are not sharing their true feelings towards you, and maybe they are playing it very cool with this Emperor card, okay, like they don't bother about the things from the outside, like they don't bother um, about how the things is outside. See, lot of chaos mindset they have right now, and lot of things are going on in their mind, okay. Internal turmoil is there, maybe external turmoil is there, they have to fight from people around them, okay, maybe in the family, to have this connection with you, or to to build a foundation with you, some sort of foundation with you. And bottom deck energy, we got the Magician in reverse. So they are trying to control things from the outside, which is making you know making things worse in practical, okay. With this Magician in reverse, they are making it difficult by controlling things from the outside, okay. And they are not they are hiding all these things, they are not telling you that they they want to control things from outside. And we got underneath Knight of Wands in reverse, okay. So they um, they do not like, this card is of travel towards you, okay. So they and we got 10 of Wands in reverse, okay. So they just surrendered right now, okay. They are not telling that they are going through a lot, okay. They are right now, they are going through a lot of internal turmoil, okay. So maybe there are some issues with the money, and they are they are keeping things down, they are keeping things under wraps with this two card Knight of Wands in reverse and 10 of Wands in reverse, that they are uh, like, now they are not prioritizing uh, this connection with you, okay, due to they have some foundation in place, maybe they need to work to build their coin first, okay. So yes, so see, we got underneath, wow, we got, see, four cards. First I will tell you Four of Wands in reverse, then we got Three of Swords, okay, in reverse, and Six of Swords and Ace of Cups. So with these cards, like they really want to come back to you, return back to you. Okay, they are hiding lot of pain inside them, and they want to take this connection to calmer waters. They want to offer you their love, but they are hiding all these things. Okay, now I will take out few messages from the box, okay, and see what your person has to say to you. And what they are hiding from you, and what they are not telling you. Okay, so I found you in music. I just wish I knew how you really feel. So maybe they are hiding feelings because, and you are also not revealing your feelings. So you both are on the same page, and you both are chasing each other energetically, but from outside you both are in disconnect. Okay, I'm terrified to lose you. So yes, they are terrified to lose you. They have lot of pain inside them. They don't deserve you. I wish I could make you see that. So maybe there is some foundation is in place for you. Okay, so just take however it resonates. In my dreams I see a beautiful future with you. Yes, with these two cards we have already seen. Okay, they really want to build a foundation with you, but they are hiding this. I never expected someone like you. I am spying on you. So maybe they are watching you from outside. Okay, I wished we talked more. So definitely lot of you maybe are in no contact or in disconnect. Please forgive me. You are very sexy and attractive. Wait for me, please. So yes, definitely they want to build something with you, but right now they don't have the bandwidth to offer you everything what you need with them currently. I want you in my life forever. So very beautiful message. I want you by my side. So that's it for today, friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends. Take care.